Welcome back to Auto Upgrade Nation, where the legends of the road get reborn with a modern twist. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic Australian muscle machines ever built, the 2025 Ford Falcon XA XB XC Hardtop, revived in stunning peppermint green and Olympic blue. This isn't just a car, it's a thunderous blend of 1970s muscle DNA and futuristic innovation that's built to rule the modern highways. Just one glance and you know this Falcon means business. The aggressive front fascia retains that unmistakable hardtop stance but now integrates precision LED matrix headlights that breathe life into its signature shark nose design. The body lines are sculpted with carbon composite panels, giving a perfect mix of retro muscle and aerodynamic efficiency. The dual-tone paint job, peppermint green and Olympic blue, pops under natural light, reflecting the kind of craftsmanship and color depth only modern nano-ceramic finishes can deliver. Under the hood lies pure American Aussie power, a 5.0L twin-turbo V8 tuned to perfection, punching out a wild 720 horsepower and 780 pound-feet of torque. The new 10-speed dual-clutch automatic lets you rip through gears like lightning, and with a manual mode featuring paddle shifters, you still get that raw muscle feel every Falcon deserves. The growl from the titanium exhaust is tuned by Ford Performance to echo the deep-throated rumble of the 1970s classics, pure nostalgia, re-engineered for the 2025 streets. Step inside and the experience takes a futuristic leap. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara leather, carbon fiber trims, and digital displays seamlessly integrated into the vintage cockpit layout. The instrument cluster pays homage to the classic dials but reimagined in a customizable 3D digital interface. The steering wheel, a perfect fusion of old-school grip and smart controls, puts every feature within your fingertips, from adaptive driving modes to performance telemetry. Ford didn't just upgrade the looks, they revolutionized performance handling. The adaptive suspension uses next-gen magnetorological dampers that read road conditions 1,000 times per second, keeping this beast glued to the pavement whether you're cruising the boulevard or hitting high-speed corners. The Brembo carbon ceramic braking system gives absolute control, and the newly tuned electronic stability management ensures all that power stays cleanly under command. And let's talk about the driving modes. From classic muscle mode to Sport Plus, Eco, and even Track Boost, each transforms throttle response, exhaust tone, and suspension feel. Classic muscle brings back that heavy steering and deep rumble of the original XA XB XC, while Track Boost unleashes the full fury with overboost and launch control. Even the aerodynamics pay tribute to history. The long fastback roofline, widened fenders, and the aggressive ducktail spoiler don't just look legendary, they cut drag and generate real downforce. You'll also notice retro-inspired 20-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 5S tires for maximum grip and aesthetic throwback. The lighting system deserves its own applause. Laser-cut DRLs shaped like the Falcon emblem illuminate in a sweeping motion during startup, a nod to the bird that inspired its name. And around the rear, the split LED taillights shimmer in Olympic blue reflections, blending retro art with digital precision. Inside the tech suite, Ford's Sync 6 infotainment runs on a floating 14-inch screen with full wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and AI voice control. The 18-speaker B&O audio system is tuned to mimic the acoustic balance of an open racetrack, giving every drive that cinematic edge. The cabin also integrates ambient lighting with over 50 customizable color zones, so you can match the glow to your exterior tone, whether it's that cool peppermint green or bold Olympic blue. Safety. It's top tier. With adaptive cruise, 360 degrees parking radar, AI lane correction, and next-gen crash prevention algorithms. Even the roll cage has been integrated into the structure for extra rigidity while keeping the comfort intact. This 2025 Falcon XA XB XC is more than an upgrade. It's a resurrection of an era that defined raw performance. Ford didn't just rebuild a car, they brought back a feeling. The feeling of freedom, of power, of asphalt trembling beneath your feet. It's where the past meets the future in full-throttle harmony. So whether you're a die-hard classic car fan or a modern muscle enthusiast, this Falcon proves one thing: legends never die, they just evolve. Thanks for watching Auto Upgrade Nation, where power, performance, and perfection meet. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments which classic muscle you want to see reborn next. Because here, We don't just review cars, we revive icons. Stay tuned, stay loud, and keep the throttle wide open.